Are you always running on empty? Between family, work, and all your responsibilities, it often feels like there's no time left for yourself. But what if I told you that you're not alone in this struggle? Indian women, especially between the ages of 20 and 45, face unique health challenges every single day. Let's talk about the most common health issues and how to tackle them head-on. 1. Stress and anxiety. Did you know that 43% of Indian women experience stress and anxiety regularly? Balancing work and family is no small feat, and sometimes it feels like the pressure never ends. But here's the solution. Start with small, simple things like deep breathing exercises or a short walk every day. Even 10 minutes of mindfulness can lower your stress levels significantly. 2. PCOS, Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. 1 in 5 women in India suffers from PCOS, leading to irregular periods, weight gain, and mood swings. Sound familiar? The positive news is that with a healthy diet, exercise, and the right medical care, managing PCOS becomes easier. You can also try reducing stress through yoga or meditation. Both can help balance hormones. 3. Anemia. Did you know that 50% of Indian women are anemic? Low iron levels can leave you feeling constantly fatigued. The solution is simple. Eat iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and pomegranates. If needed, speak to a doctor about iron supplements that can help bring your levels back to normal. 4. Back pain. Around 70% of women in India suffer from back pain due to sitting long hours at work or lifting heavy loads. Does that sound like you? The best remedy for this is strengthening exercises like yoga and stretching. Posture correction can also do wonders in alleviating pain. 5. Breast cancer. Breast cancer is the most common cancer among Indian women, with 1 in 22 urban women being at risk. Early detection is key. Perform regular self-checks, and don't skip your yearly screenings. They can make a huge difference in early diagnosis and treatment. Remember, your health matters. You deserve to feel strong, energized, and healthy, so make time for yourself. The solutions are simple, but the impact is life-changing. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your health today.